Here we have the Seesii Cordless Jigsaw. This can be an unboxing and show it in use. First things first, you got a nice little carrying bag, instructions, the charger, which is buried, as well as 2 batteries. They do have the indication on the front. I don't know if the camera can pick that up or zoom in on it later. You have the tool itself with an Allen wrench that just fell out. Some blades. And I bet this is going to be a vacuum attachment that I'm not going to use. All right, so while the vacuum attachment is nice, how it goes straight in there to suck it all up, and part works really well. I tend to not drag a vacuum out whenever I'm doing my cutting, so I'm not going to use that. You can also tilt your platform here. It takes 2 Allen heads, which they include it with you. So you gotta slide it back and then put it however you want it, then push it forward and then tighten them down. We're just gonna keep it flat. Tighten them back down. All right, I'm just gonna read your orbital settings or oscillation settings from the paper itself, just so I don't get anything wrong. So you got 0 through 3. So just the 0 is for metal, ceramic, 1 is for plastic, plywood, 1 to 3 is for wood and chipboard. Basically what it does, you adjust the oscillation level by turning the dial 1, 2, 3. A higher setting moves the blade in a more aggressive forward tilting motion, allowing for faster cutting with a rougher finish. Lower setting produces smoother, more precise cuts. And then you do get a handful of blades. To put it in, you got a lever right here, which is gonna lock and unlock your blade. So real quick, we will go ahead and put that guy, twist it, push down and in, let go. You're good to go. So if you watch this little guide right here, so it's on 0 now, and you'll see it not move. And we'll go to 1, see it start moving. A little bit more. So it's just gonna push your blade forward, make like the instructions said, give you a more aggressive cut. Ooh, quit moving. Indication on the battery itself. You have a safety right here. You gotta push this to pull the trigger. The trigger itself is a variable speed, so you can hold it at 1 speed. The more you pull the trigger, the faster you're gonna go. So it does stop pretty quick once you let go. So that was in mode 2. We're gonna go jump up to 3. I do like the stopping on that. It stops almost immediately when you let go. It does not mess around a bit. Still a fairly clean cut too. We'll go ahead and jump down. We're gonna take the blade out, just turn that. Take the blade, we're gonna go to the clean wood. Put it in the right way. Down in, release your lever. We're gonna keep it in mode 3 just to see what happens. Oh yeah. I found the blade I like. like that blade a lot, to be honest. So there you have it. That's the Seesii Cordless Jigsaw. I think it will be a great addition to my tools, because the only one I have right now is a old DeWalt one. And I get tired of messing with cords. So, really got nothing else to say about it other than worked great. Definitely like that clean wood bit more than the speed wood. I think it actually cut faster, in my opinion. But once everything's done, you can just put it all nice and tucked away. Put everything in there. You got a nice carrying case.